Good afternoon, everyone. I am Naledi Mnisi of Naledi Mnisi Media Production. Today is no ordinary day. It's a game day for our grannies. Yes, you heard right. Our gogos are lacing up their boots, ready to show us the skill, teamwork, and a little bit of flair. So we are live at Prince Mangosuthu Stadium, Olundi, for the Golden Games Good District. We will be celebrating strength, unity, and unstoppable energy of our mothers, our grandmothers, and omkhulu bethu, showing us that the love for soccer has no limits. Get ready for excitement, entertainment, and plenty of games. Stay tuned for more. Production. Please tell us your name, surname, and why are we here?
Thank you very much, dear lady. I am Dr. Buthelezi, the chairperson of Zululand District Municipality, Senior Citizens. We are here today under Golden Games. All those that have taken their pensions from different departments, from 60 upwards, are at liberty to come and join this movement. We are here, Golden Games. In fact, Golden Games to us are a bonus. We only exercise for our health, the active aging program. But then because local municipalities, including the district municipalities, are helping us in boosting us, in encouraging us to be fit. So they became involved and started advising us to join the local municipality Golden Games. By local municipalities, I mean we are 5 local municipalities: Ulundi, Nongoma, Pongolo, Dumbe, and Abakulus. 5 local municipalities with senior citizen structures. Now we have eliminated, therefore, at a local level. Now we are at a district level. The purpose here is to choose the team called Zululand District Municipality Golden Games team that will be competing on the 16th, 17th, and 18th. In fact, on 17th, 18th, and 19th in Durban at a provincial level with 11 districts, municipalities. From there, if the team has been chosen, we'll be going to Western Cape this year, which is a national Golden Games active aging program. So thank you that you are here in order to see and to encourage us that we participate more than ever. And we are also known in the country that even here we are at Ulundi, of course, we are in Pundu areas here, but we are trying our best to have this program and to improve in order to have the active aging program. Therefore, I am representing the Golden Games Forum. Our members are here. As we are all here, they are doing their best in order that this program succeeds. I have got my friend here, Vus Zungu. Vus Zungu is a confederation official. They are organizing these games in terms of refereeing, keeping laws, smooth running of the games, and they are helping us a great deal.
So, as we can see, the elders are playing. What do they benefit? Are there any trophies or any medals they get?
Yes, they get trophies, they get medals, they get attire. As I have got this attire here, this is a national Golden one. Right. We've got a district one, we've got a provincial one on yearly basis. Encouraging us. We are happy that our mayors, not only here, Ulundi, not in the district, almost all districts are involved. The Department of Social Development is a lead department.
Oh, wow.
The Department of Health assists. Aging Action assists. They are all assisting the active aging Gogos and Mkulus to be better off than before.
Okay, so what would you say to all the young people who are watching right now?
The young people that are watching right now, we are encouraging them. We are giving the message, we are passing on the message that those that are involved in drugs, those that are involved in taking liquor, those that are involved in getting pregnanting our ladies GPV, they should stop doing so because that is wasting our time. We want the youth of today to be the leaders of tomorrow. Without participating fruitfully in different games, their games, youth games, Salka games, getting out of the mess, GPV, stepping and killing our young kids, we will not make a good nation.
To women, it's Women's Month. What would you say to Imbokodo?
As you can see here, after the male soccer, the Imbokodo is coming in. Yes, the Imbokodo is coming in because they are realizing that they are an important part in not even in the country, starting from families. Where there is no woman, where there is no female, I doubt if the success is there. We are relying upon them. In fact, as I'm speaking to you, I wouldn't be on this earth without their train driving me to this world. And therefore, we need to recognize them, their efforts. They are struggling. And at the same time, apologize for being victimized by us. I thank you. Elam lokugcina lithi angiyibongele kwi-media production. Kuwena ndodakazi yami nakuwena ndodana yami. Nibahle. Konkuluwa nitala kahle. Uma abasha bethu bengathatha lolu unyawo lokulandela nina, sesinethemba ke thina lokuthi noma sesingahamba emhlabeni kodwa uyosala imindeni nezwe limile. Thank you.
Asikubingelele sikwamukele kuNaledi Mnisi Media Production. Please tell us your name, surname, position yakho nokuthi why are we here njengoSoluntu.
Songoze siyabonga ukuthola ithuba lokuthi sibe ingxenye yohlelo lweNaledi Production. Igama lami nguVusumuzi Zulu. Ngokuhlala ngisobongolo kodwa la ngoba siSoluntu nje sisemdlalweni yama-Golden Games la sithi khona dlala umuntu omdala. Mina ke ngokweposition yami la e-district level ngusihlalo weZululand District Sports Confederation. Okuyinhlangano engamele all the sports code within the district. Babe soka komasipala babo ndibathola thina la kwi-district thina ke silekelelayo in terms of officiating, siqinisekisa ukuthi abantu abazodlalisa bakhona, ngapha ama-code adingekayo nokulekelela ke noku-engage namanye ama-stakeholders. Mhlawumbe into umuntu angayibalula nangayibonga kakhulu, singabonga kakhulu omasipala abahlanu abakwazile ukuthi batransport ogogo babalethe kule event. Sibonge kakhulu ne-role abayidlalile. Sibonile nje umasipala wasePhongolo baqhamuka ogogo bakhona bagqoke ikhipha ezinhle ezintsha, brand new from the box ade beyinikeza ukuseni beza ngala. Siyabonga kakhulu lokho njenge-district ngoba kukhombisa ukubambisana between umasipala i-local ne-district ekutheni uma kunama-programs kube naleyo partnership ekusebenzisaneni. Namhlanje-ke usuku lakhona nje beluluhle siqale kahle imidlalo ade idlalwa bekuyimidlalo ehlukahlukene yogogo. Asikhuluma ngemidlalo yogogo nomkhulu, imidlalo la edlalwa abantu abasebene-60 years kuya phezulu. Imidlalo emihle-ke sikhuluma ngo-rugby ball throw, o-ring the stick, o-yaskey, o-ball pass and click. Njengoba ade siwabona nje-ke imidlalo le ade idlalwa yiyo lawo makhodi esiwadlalayo. Buthe ukuhluka kancane uma uqhathanisa no-sports law general odlalwa yi-youth because bona sekumele imidlalo abayidlalayo kube imidlalo efitha izinga basuke sebekuwo. Kodwa-ke siyabona no-athletics ade ukhona wabagijimile 100 meters, bagijima i-relay, bagijima kanjalo benza ne-breast walk. Kuningi nje imidlalo abayidlalile osukwini lanamhlanje. Njengamanje nje kuyaqhubeka badlala ibhola ley'nyawo, omkhulu sebedlalile, sekudlala ogogo-ke manje nabo bazokhipha i-team yabo ezomela i-district yethu kuma-provincial games. Mhlawumbe umuntu aphinde akubalule nje ukuthi siyabonga i-support esiyitholile. Bese ngikumentionile ngokomasipala nange-district futhi siyabonga i-support esiyitholile. Siyabona ogogo badlile, bawatholile amanzi, zonke iy'nsiza ade bey'dinga zosuku. Ama-stakeholders enza isiqiniseko sokuthi azenze. Ne-service nje-ke yonke from other departments, no-health ade ukhona, DSD, uyabona ukuthi into ye-DDM iyaphusheka impela eZululand. Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi imidlalo yogogo ibukeka ihambe kahle, asinama-injuries abekhona kuze kube manje.
Amanzi ongadlulisa kuwonke umuntu omusha ubuka njengamanje.
Kubantu abasha ngingathi nje guys noma ngithi colleagues noma ngithi ingane zethu ngoba abantu abasha njengamanje ile ingane ezalwa yethu. Indlela sakhula thina kuthiwa ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Njengoba kudlala ugogo nje ithi into mangingadlali mina ngumuntu omusha ngenzani. ithi mangabe kungekho engibhizi ngakho ngiwumuntu omusha ngenzani angingahlali phansi ngikhale ngesevisi ekubeni isevisi uhulumeni ayilethe isevisi umasipala ayilethe sikhuluma nje sila intsha yasophongolo ibidlala ngeweekend esisuka kuyo iyona service delivery leyo because ayikho enye ongahle uyi-expect siye sikithi-ke thina abantu baka-sports uma ngabe umasipala elethe intuthuko kubantu through sport sithi i-best service delivery leyo because njengoba ngila usukela namhlanje kwezemidlalo ngikwazile ukuthi ngisave almost 1 gig wedatha engabe ngilisebenzisile ngishare ama-message ngikhuluma nabangani kwesinye isikhathi ungagcina usuwenze namacala through social media kanti njengoba sila sonke si-relax sijilile siyibukelela ama-games kumnandi sisave a lot of time engabe senza izinto ezi-wrong senza izinto ezi-right ngokubukela le midlalo esikuba njengamanje siwabantu abasha asisukumeni ikusasa ngelethu i-future ngeyethu asiyibambe iqine i-sports-ke mina sengikhombisile ukuthi ungaphila ngaso mawubuka nje abadlali abakhona njengamanje they are earning a lot through sport so into yokuthi uzohlala usonge izandla kanti nekhono onalo mhlawumbe lingathatha libeke kwenye level siyakuthokozela kakhulu okwenziwa ngomasipala ekukhuthazeni intsha ukuthi nayo ibandakanye kwezemidlalo.
Amazwi angadlulisa konke abantu besifazane
abantu besifazane ngingathi nje since kuyi-women's month kubalulekile ukuthi siyiphathe kahle siyigcine ngoba ikusasa liyikusasa ngomuntu wesifazane sesibonile-ke isikhathi esiningi abantu besifazane mina ngisho ukuthi bayasihlula mentally bayasihlula physically imizi eminingi siyibona ivuswa abantu besifazane thina besilisa siza ngemuva so mina ngokwelami isayidi ngathi nje ngokodwa ibambeni lapho uma kunomuntu wesifazane ekhaya umsapoti sise ngoba umqondo wakhe ungalithatha ikhaya ulibeke kwenye level. Elami lokugcina sengingaba yikho ukuthi sibonge kakhulu ukuthi nibe ingxenye yethu kule program namhlanje siyafisa ukuthi sizosebenzisana kahle nani going forward sifisela konke okuhle nani nifisela.
Sisiphinde sabuya mlaleli weNaledi Mnisi Media Production. It is with great joy and excitement that we welcome you to today's District Golden Games. Today is not about competition, but about celebrating strength, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of our elderly champions. These games remind us that age is not a limitation, but a crown of wisdom, courage, and determination. Stay tuned for more. Mnisi Media Production, please tell us your name, surname, indawo oqhamuka kuyona, and why are we here?
Angithokoza kakhulu umsakazi igama lami nguDumisani kwaMthembu usuka endaweni yaKwaNongoma ngaphansi kamasipala wakhona kwaNongoma engakusho nje ngoba silana okokuqala ngifisa ukubonga umkhandlu waKwaNongoma ngokuthi ulidedele ithuba elifana nalelo bantu abakhulile ukuthi bazivocavoce njengoba sazi ukuthi lolu hlelo silibeza ukuthi udlala umuntu omdala siyathokoza kakhulu ukubahlonishwa bathe basidedele basipha leli thuba ukuthi sidlale sibazivocavocise abantu abadala ngoba siyazi kulesikhathi esiphila kuso izifo ziningi. Siyabonga kakhulu nje umhlonishwa umeya waNongoma umhlonishwa uZondo kanjalo nosihlalo weConfed siphinde wasinikeza njengoba yena uhlalo mina ngusekela sihlalo weConfed singaphansi kwabo abaholi abasiphethe asibonga nje kakhulu ukuthi basiphe ithuba elifana naleli.
What are the benefits enwatholayo ukuthi kudlalwe imidlalo kanje kubantu abadala?
Ikhona kodwa into esithanda ukuthi iyakhuthaza nakubantu abancane ukubona abantu abadala abakhulile bedlala ngoba bahamba kuya ngokwegaba baqala ku local banyuke njalo kuye ku district province kuye uze kufinyelele ku national lokhu mbemele okusijabulisayo kwethina ukuthi bahamba bamele uNongoma kunjalo nje msakazi.
Amazwi ongadlulisa konke umuntu omusha obuka njengamanje.
Ngingafisa ukuthi abantu abasha siyazi sithi Zulu indlela ibuza kwabaphambili isikhathi sokuthi babukele kubantu abadala ukuthi akubona bodwa kubalekile ukuzivocavoca lento iyanciphisa uma uyinika isikhathi sokuthi utholakala uzivocavoca ekwehleni kwezinga lama drugs kubantu abasha so sikwenza lokho ngoba sifisa ukubaqhelelanisa nobube abangahlangabezana nabo
kubantu besifazane it's Women's Month amafamazi ongadlulisa kwena.
Ngiphinde ngibonge futhi umsakazi abantu besifazane wakwanye besimame ngifisa ukuthi kubona bakhule njalo unwelo olude ngoba siyazi ukuthi ikhaya akukhaya ngaphandle komuntu wesimame ngakho sithi njena kule nyanga yabo sibafisela okuhle njalo uNkulunkulu sengathi angabapha neminye iminyaka yangezeke kulena banayo.
Ilakho lokugcina sisivala
ngizofisa nje ukudlulisa ukubonga kakhulu umsakazi ekuthenini lolu suku luze lube impumelelo lufezeke ngendlela ngokubambisana ngoba kukho ukudlula ukubambisana kanjalo no sport officer ngoba konke thina njenge confed phela sikucela kuyena bese kuba kwanda inhlonipho kubantu bonke qhubeke njalo lo.
Siyabonga Mvelasi.
Siyathokoza.
Sibingelele sikwamukele kuNaledi Mnisi Media Production. Cela usele igama isibongo ukuthi uqhamuka kumuphi umasipala nenhlangano. Bese sichazela ukuthi kungani sila namhlanje.
Okay. Ngiyanibingelela nami. Mina igama lami Lindile Rejoice Ngongwane. Ngiqhamuka eDumbe enhlanganweni yakwa Israel Lunch on Club. Singogogo nomkhulu. Injongo yethu ukuthi sibe la singogogo nomkhulu ukuthi sizoyivocavoca siphinde futhi sazane nabanye ogogo nanemisebenzi abayenzayo. Abanye bethu benza imisebenzi yezandla, sithunga amacansi kakhulukazi amacansi nentsha yethu sike sibize esikoleni ezikoleni esihlanganela kuzo sizozeluleka ngokuthi bangayiphatha kanjani nokuthi bangagcina kanjani behlale bengenathi isizulu ngoba sibonile ukuthi intsha yethu eningi sekuthiwa ngamaphara ingenxa yokubhoreka nangenxa ukuthi abanye bethu ingane zethu qede u-matric bese akukho uqhubekela phambili. Thina ke singogogo nomkhulu senza amathuba ukuthi sibabize sibatshele ukuthi uqede u-matric akusikho ukuthi ngawe sekufanele ukuthi ube yiphara. Futhi sabasiza kakhulu safuna ezinye inhlangano zama-security abantu bethu abasha nje eDumbe eBhadeni banengi asebengama security ngenxa yokuthi thina ogogo siyabalandelela sinomkhulu ukuthi cha akuphelile mhlawumbe abanye baqeda ugrade 9 hayi ukuthi sekuphelile ngograde 9 ukuthi usuzohamba umuntu omusha uyokuphuza uyokwenza ezinye izinto uyokhuthuza. No, safuna omunye ubaba waseThekwini wasenzela bayafunda nje ngikhuluma nje bayafunda.
Amazwi ongawadlulisa konke umuntu esifazane obukayo since it's Women's Month.
Amazwi engingawadlulisa kithi thina bomama ukuthi asinakeleleni imindeni siphinde amehlo ethu siwaphose nangaphandle ayithi uzobuka umndeni wakho kuphela amehlo ethu siwaphose nasemphakathini sibuke emphakathini ukuthi kwenzakalani thina singabantu abadala singasiza ngani singangenelela ngani kubantwana bethu bonke nengamzali mina kodwa unguwami ngingangenelela kanjani uma ngabe sinemali ngoba singogogo siba nomdlaliswane yemboliswane. Nje mina nje Ngongwana ngiye ngafundisa abantwana ababili ongesiba bami engakhipha 3000 bafundela ama security sebenetificate.
Wow. Elakho lokugcina sesivale.
Mina ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngingajabula futhi ukuthi sikuthathe konke lokho esikuzwayo sikwenze nokuthi ngoba sila nje sizoyivocavoca ngizizwa nje ukuthi yo yabona nje ngeThekwini ngoSeptember ngijabulile.
Imidlalo benidlala namhlanje wenini
siwinile.
Wow. Asibingelele sikwamukele kuNaledi Mnisi Media Production. Cela usho nje igama isibongo indawo oqhamuka kuyo noma umasipala oqhamuka kuyo neclub yakho.
Bonga ukubingelela abantu abahle njengani emidlalweni omhle kangaka esikwehlelwe idistrict yakithi Olundi. Mina igama lami uMebu Lupanyana odumele amaqhatha ayiqobile ophuma kusiya phambili club owaziwa ngosihlalo kuleya club ongusihlalo futhi jikelele lapha yana kuPhongo lwaMunicipality ophethe ogogo bonke.
Isiya phambili imayelana nani mangasasa nje sibeke kafushane.
Usiya phambili inhlangano eyasungula lethi ngangisemusha ngoba sengingaka nje iyayisikhuthaza ukuthi simele ukuthi sihlangane singogogo sibonisane ngamasu mhlawumbe nokuphilisana nabantwana bethu emakhaya nokusebenzisana nje imisebenzi omqondo ngoba ugogo mayehleli yedwa ekhaya phatha stress acabanga nokulalo masilapha nasixoxa inganekwane sithunge sifundisana umhlalo umanje nje ngiyathunga ngithungela ngishaba yoshada ngomgqibelo njengoba kune exhibition ngizabe bukwa mina ngoba nginono buhle engibathungela impahla kuyaziwa nje ukuthi Phongolo ukhona baqhatha iqobile othungayo othunga imblasela ngisho umeya wasoPhongolo ngakutshela ukuthi ngiyamazi lokho ngisho umthandeni ungambiza uzokuthi ngiyamazi lokho uzungu ungambiza ukuthatha isithombe siyamthungela kwayena siya phambili iyasisiza kakhulu inhlangano ngoba ogogo bahlala beactive.
Mhlambe mawasisibeke ukuthi kumayelana nani ukuthi sibe la kuma Golden Games Olundi
ukuthi sibe la kuma Golden Games Olundi ukuthi sihlale ekhaya sidlalela sodwa sibhekisa sodwa namuhla uZululand ubona ukuthi ake sihlangane phela sibonane ukuze nabanye abangazi bazi ukuthi kungani so emveni kwaloko sizotshengisa nohulumeni wethu lona osikhasa ngowasidimala kakhulu nje ukuthi lokho akwenza kithi kuyasisiza siyaphumelela ngakho yingakho nje ake sihlangane-ke manje sisonke sibona nti ngempela lento siyayenza ukukhuthaza le mzimba yethu ngoba nje ungibona ngino-76 kodwa uma ngithi ngiyahlubuka nje ungajaji ukuthi angina-76
manje nibenefitha kuphi ngale midlalo le?
sibenefit ukuthi manje ngiyaphila ngingongutshela ekhaya ngiyazi fanele ingane ngiphathe kanjani ngiyakwazi nokwenza ini nani engiyizwa ngomunye ugogo ngithi lokhu ngoba ngikwenza ngibone kungenza bese ngiyapha kukhona nesibafundisa ukupheka ukuthi namakoti sesibatraining ukuthunga bayathunga namuhla nathi siyabenefitha ngoba labantwana abancane khona ulwazi abaluthola kithi
mhlawumbe sesiphetha nje inyanga yabesifazane ukuphi ongakusho konke umuntu wesifazane obuka njengamanje?
Engingakusho abantu besifazane yekelani ukuhlala endlini uthi mina ngoba uba kusegoli ngilinde ukuthi ngizofika nothi ugogo phuma uhlangane nenhlangano zabomama nje lapha yana sinenhlangano zabomama esibafundisayo ukuthi kube khona okwenzayo njengoba kusuku lesifazane sithi umuntu wesifazane akazazi ukuthi ekhaya uyimeneja ubaba uma engekho umeneja ufuna abheke lonke lekhaya ihamba kanjani abheke ney'ngane ihamba kanjani konke okula ekhaya ubaba uma efika ufika kubiza umama yingakho sithi asibuthaneni singabantu besifazane sithi wenza kanje nje ngithi kwegogo uma kufuna uba nje ugogo maqatha washonela ubaba eno-27 years kodwa wakhila umuzi kunamajazi abagqokisile ehlala ophongolo bemazi bonke ukuthi uhlala ophongolo ngani ngokusebenza ngasebenza ngezandla zami ngafundisa zaphumelela iy'ngane zami ngiyabonga kakhulu nami ngathi nani ngaphinda njalo ngonyaka ozayo nisibize phela singolala emahhotela awubheke uma sengibhekele ukuthi kuthiwa yini badala mntu omdala ngoba ngiyanyakala
Yebo. Siyaphila cela introduce igama, isibongo, iposition nokuthi uqhamukaphi.
Igama lami ngo-Aslita Tshangase, ngingusihlalo ebaqulusini kwi-forum yabaqulusi.
Mhlawumbe uma usathu sibeke nje ngokuthi yindaba sila kumayelana nani ukuthi sibe la Olundi usuku namhlanje.
Osukwini lanamhlanje sila Olundi ngoba singabantu abadala abathanda ukuyivocavoca endaweni yethu ebaqulusini. Sinokuthi siyikhandle kakhulu ekuyivocavoceni ngoba sifuna ukuphila imizimba yethu ihlale iqinile noma sinazo izifo kodwa kungabi sizona izifo lezi ezizohlala zigxile kakhulu kwithina sikwazi ukuyisukumela senze okunye nokunye.
Mhlawumbe njengabantu abadala nidlala nizivocavoca ikuphi mhlawumbe nikbenefithayo from ama-Golden Games?
Kuma-Golden Games sibhenefitha njengoba ngishilo ukuthi okwezempilo ukuthi imizimba yethu igcineke i-healthy and amathambo ethu eqinile sikwazi ukuthi senze yonke imisebenzi yingakho siphumile sizodlala sijabulela nokuzogijima kakhulu kuma-Golden Games ngoba lapho esijabulisa khona sikhohlwe izinsizi ey'semakhaya zabazukulu bethu ke kube nesikhathi nje esispendayo ukuthi sisafuna ukukhohlwa nayizinsizi ngoba sifuna ukuphila sikhohlwe nayizinsizi ezizosenza ukuthi sibe nezifo lezi okuthiwa amahlala khona ngenxa yokuthi sihlele emakhaya asiyivocavoci bese siphathwa nalezo zifo zibe strong thina.
Imaphi amazwi ongadlulisa kuwo wonke umuntu omusha obukayo njengamanje?
Kubantu abasha ngiyafisa kakhulu and ngiyathanda ukuthi abantu abasha ongathi bebengeke bababuka abantu abadala bababukele phansi babuka abantu abadala ongathi bachitha isikhathi abazi ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe ini ngoba lokhu kuyasiza kakhulu kwenza umuntu agcineke aphephe ezingozini eziningi. Abantu abasha uma nabo bengazinikela bajoyine kule midlalo edlalwayo ezweni nabo bazophepha ezingozini eziningi bazophepha ophuzweni bazophepha kuma drugs bazizwe begcineke bephila impilo kuyiyona nebafanele.
Kubantu besifazane inyanga yabantu besifazane ungathini kubona?
Abantu besifazane ngiyabathanda kakhulu abantu besifazane ngoba yibona abayindabuko yesizwe bayakwazi yibona abantu abazukuletha abantu emhlabeni. Abantu besifazane yibona abanelungelo kakhulu mangibheka ukuthi bangabaqoqa abantu emhlabeni babafundise kube ney'ndawo ezivulelekayo la bezokwazi ukuthi baqoqe abantwana bahlale nabo phansi babafundise special kakhulu kubantu besifazane abancane babafundise ukuyiphatha ukuthi kumele umuntu wesifazane ayiphathe kanjani kusuke kanje kule ndawo esikuyona ongathithi konke lokho ekade ngikhuluma la kungavuka kithi sonke sikwenze nje indawo zonke njengoba sihlangene la kuhlangene zonke igodi ake ngibeke kanjalo siphume nakho lokho ukuthi sihambe siyofundisa emuva emakhaya. Ngiyabonga kakhulu sekwathi isikhathi